From Kshirodascha. Okay. 25. 24 here. I think 25 maybe. Kshirodaschaamalam haram ajarecha chatu. Ippavanda. We will do it in the end. Only the last classes we will do it.
Okay.
You don't need to recite the entire thing, from the beginning, or you want to do that? That's what he's asking. Huh?
If you have to wait till she comes, we can do that.
Because normally we do only the previous one. And we will do like that only. Let us not change it. Kshirodaschaamalam haram ajare cha tadambare Chudamanim tata divyam kundale kadakani cha Ardhachandram tata shubhram keyuran sarvabhavushu Nupurau vimalau tadvagraiveyakamanuttamam Anguliyakaratnani samastasvangulishu ja Vishvakarma dadau tasyai parashum chati nirmalam Astranyanikarupani tata bhedhyam cha damshanam Amlana pankajam malam shirasyurasi chaparam Adadajjaladhistasyai pankajam chati shobhanam Himavan vahanam simham ratnani vividani cha Dadavashunyam suraya panapatram dhanadibaha Seshascha sarvanagesho mahamani vibhushitam Nagaharam dadau tasyai datte yah prithuvimimam Anyairapi surairdevi bhushanayirayudaistatha Sammanita nanadochai sartahasam muhurmuhu Tasya nadena ghorena kritsnamabhuritam nabaha Amayadadi mahata pratishabdho mahanabhud Chukshubhus sakala loka samudrascha chakampire Chachala vasuda chelu sakalascha mahidaraha Jayeti devascha mudatamucho simhavayini Tushtuurmunayaschainam bhaktinam radmanurtayah Drishtva samastam samshubdham trailokyamamararayah Sannadha kila sainyaste samuttasturudayudaha Agimedadidhikrodadapashyamahishasuraha Abhyadavadatam shabdhamaseshayirasurairvrtaha Sadadarsha devim vyaptalokatrayam tvisha Padakrantya natavuvam kirito likitambaram Kshobita sesha patalam dhanurjya nisvanena tam Dishu bhujasahasrena samantadvyapya samstitam Tatah pravavrute yuddham taya devya suradvisham Timing is quite right. So 40th. Shastrastrair bahuda muktair
Shastrastrair bahuda muktair Shastrastrair bahuda muktair
Adipita digantharam
आदीपितदिगन्तरम्
शस्त्रास्त्रैर्बहुधा मुक्तैरादीपितदिगन्तरम्
शस्त्रास्त्रैर्बहुधा मुक्तैरादीपितदिगन्तरम् शस्त्रास्त्रैर्बहुधा मुक्तैरादीपितदिगन्तरम्
महिषासुरसेनानी
महिषासुरसेनानी
Actually, there is a sandhi touch. Senanihi. Actually, then the sandhi comes. So, Chikshura. Chikshurakyo Mahasuraha.
चिक्षुराप्यो महासुरः चिक्षुराप्यो महासुरः
Mahishasurasenaniश्चिक्षुराक्यो Mahasuraha.
महिषासुरसेनानीश्चिक्षुराप्यो महासुरः महिषासुरसेनानीश्चिक्षुराप्यो महासुरः
शस्त्रास्त्रैर्बहुधा मुक्तैरादीपितदिगन्तरम् महिषासुरसेनानीश्चिक्षुराख्यो महासुरः
शस्त्रास्त्रैर्बहुधा मुक्तैरादीपितदिगन्तरम् महिषासुरसेनानीश्चिक्षुराख्यो महासुरः शस्त्रास्त्रैर्बहुधा मुक्तैरादीपितदिगन्तरम् महिषासुरसेनानीश्चिक्षुराख्यो महासुरः.
There are so many generals first. Now this chapter is mainly Devi fighting with the army. Mahishasura has not come inside. It is only in the next chapter Mahishasura Vadam comes. This chapter it deals with Mahishasura army. So this one, the names of, we will see one general's name. This first general's name is Chikshura. Chikshura is the first general's name. Okay. So Shastrastrair Bahudha Muktair. Muktair means whatever the Shastram and Astram. Astram is the with the Prayogam. No? Shastram is Aidam. Astram is Prayogam. With the mantra they will release that. So whatever the Shastram and Astram that got released, Bahuda, that is too much, like so many Shastram and Astram got released, and it all like, Adhipita Digantaram. It illuminated the sky. Clashing with one another, the spark comes, that illuminated the entire sky. So Shastrastra Bahuda, Shastrastrair Bahuda Muktair Adhipita. Adhipita means illuminated. Adhipita Digantaram. Digantaram means the sky. So all 8 directions, all the entire sky got illuminated because of the Shastram and Astram clashing with one another, sparks. Mahishasura Senanis Chikchurakyo Mahasura. The Mahishasura in the army, the general named Chikchurakyo, he is of great valor. Mahasura. He is a great Asura. His name is Chikshura. Okay. We will say one name and then I will tell you exactly what their name means after we finish the name, because everything here in the Devamatmyam, name is related to its what is that philosophical meaning, what they denote, because the entire fight is considered to be within us between dharma and adharma, the conflict of dharma and adharma that is happening within us. And what are all the things that we have to face if you have to really find out the dharma, if you want to go in the dharmic way? What are all the things you have to fight with? That is what these generals actually denote. They are all called generals as this is a battle, okay? युयुधे चामरश्चान्यैः
युयुधे चामरश्चान्यैः
चतुरङ्गबलान्वितः युयुधे चामरश्चान्यैश्चतुरङ्गबलान्वितः रथानामयुधैः षड्भिर् उदग्राख्यो महासुरः रथानामयुधैः षड्भिरुदग्राख्यो महासुरः युयुधेश्चामरश्चान्यैश्चतुरङ्गबलान्वितः रथानामयुधैः षड्भिरुदग्राख्यो महासुरः
युयुधे चामरश्चान्यैश्चतुरङ्गबलान्वितः रथानामयुधैः षड्भिरुदग्राख्यो महासुरः युयुधे चामरश्चान्यैश्चतुरङ्गबलान्वितः रथानामयुधैः षड्भिरुदग्राख्यो महासुरः.
Next general's name is Chamara. Chamara is also another, first we saw Chikshura. The next general's name is Chamara. Chamara led an army Chaturanga Balanvita. Chaturanga, fourfold army. Cavalry is there, Ratham is there, elephant is there, foot soldiers are there. So Chaturanga Balam, fourfold army. He was leading the fourfold army. Okay. Rathanam Ayudhai Shadbhir Udagrakhyo. Next general's name is Udagra. So Chikshura, Chamara and Udagra. Udagra is the general's name. This Udagra, Ayudhai means 10,000. Ayudhai Shadbhir means 60,000. Okay? Ayudhai Shadbhir 60,000. Ayudhai plainly it is 10,000. Ayudhai Shadbhir is 60,000. Rathanam Ayudhai Shadbhir 60,000 Rathams he had. This Udagra. Udagra is a great soldier, a great warrior, great asura, and he had 60,000 Ratham fighting there. Okay. Ayudhyatayutanam cha Sahasrena Mahahanuhu Ayudhyatayutanam cha Sahasrena Mahahanuhu Panchashadbhischa niyudair Asiloma Mahasuraha पञ्चाशद्भिश्च नियुतैरसिलो महासुरः
पञ्चाशद्भिश्च नियुतैरसिलो महासुरः पञ्चाशद्भिश्च नियुतैरसिलो महासुरः
अयुध्यतायुधानां च सहस्रेण महाहनुः पञ्चाशद्भिश्च नियुतैरसिलो महासुरः
अयुध्यतायुधानां च सहस्रेण महाहनुः पञ्चाशद्भिश्च नियुतैरसिलो महासुरः अयुध्यतायुधानां च सहस्रेण महाहनुः पञ्चाशद्भिश्च नियुतैरसिलो महासुरः
अयुध्यतायुधानां च सहस्रेण महाहनुः. Ayodhya means Mahahanu is the next general's name, Mahahanu. Mahahanu had Ayodhyatayudhanam cha Sahasrena Mahahanu. 10 million he had. 10 million soldiers, army consists of 10 million soldiers. He was attacking with his army. Panchashadbhischa niyutai Asiloma Mahasura. Next general's name is Asiloma. Okay?
That the same text, they have given us Rasiloma, Rudagra only, like.
Yeah. When you say it together.
In the story type.
No.
So is it?
This is no. This is actually Sandhikams.
Okay.
Panchashadbhischa Asiloma.
Okay.
Niyutaihi. Panchashadbhischa niyutaihi.
I had down.
Udagra only. Panchashadbhischa niyutaihi Asiloma Mahasura. Niyuta is again means million. Niyute generally it means million. So Panchashadbhischa means 50 million soldiers. So that is not like that, because the Sandhi comes here.
ಅದು ಊಟಕ್ಷರ ಅಂತ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದು I told I have been reading.
Yeah. Udagra.
That the names are like Rudagra, Rasiloma.
Asiloma. Okay. So 50 million army Asiloma was fighting with. They are like, he had an army consisting of 50 million people, soldiers. Ayudhanam shataishadbhir Bashkalo yuyuderanaha Rane, okay. Bhaskaro yuyuderane Ayudhanam shataishadbhir Bashkalo yuyuderane Gajavaji sahasraugair Anekaif parivaritaha Gajavaji sahasraugair Anekaif parivaritaha Anekai. Say, when you say, don't split it. There, use the sandhi. Gajavaji sahasraugair Anekaif parivaritaha आयुधानां शतैः षड्भिर्भाष्कलो युयुधेरणे गजवाजिसहस्रौघैरनेकैः परिवारितः
आयुधानां शतैः षड्भिर्भाष्करो युयुधेरणे गजवाजिसहस्रौघैरनेकैः परिवारितः आयुधानां शतैः षड्भिर्भाष्कलो युयुधेरणे गजवाजिसहस्रौघैरनेकैः परिवारितः.
Ayudha, I told 10,000. Okay. Ayudhanam Shadbhi, there is 60,000. 60,000 people. Bashkala Yudhirani. Bashkala is another name of the general. He is fighting with along with 60 million, 60,000 or 60,000. Shathair. There is one word that has come. Ayudhanam Shathair means 10 million. Ayudha means 10,000. Shathair multiplied by 100. So that is 10 million. Shadbhi is 60 million. Okay. Now the Niyutha means million. Niyutha we saw in the previous one, Niyutha, that is million. By Ayudhana Shathai Shadbhir. So 10,000 into 100 into 60 million. Okay. So 60 million he was having. How huge an army, just you cannot even visualize. All are asuras and army must have been massive, no? Gajavaji, see there are so many names that they have given for seeing multitudes, countless, okay? Gajavaji, Gaja means elephant, Vaji is horses, okay? Vaji means horses. Gajavaji, Sahasraugha, Augha means multitudes, thousands of horses and elephants, who is having Parivaritaha. Parivarita is another name of the another general's name. So he is like, there are two, like, it is a pun actually. Parivarita means surrounded by also. It means surrounded by. And it also means the name of the general. Parivarita is the name of, he was surrounded by millions of multitudes of horses and elephants, and is going to the battle. Okay. What is that? Vruto Rathanam Kotyacha.
Vruto Rathanam Kotyacha. Vruto Rathanam Kotyacha.
Yuddhe tasminna yudhyata.
Yuddhe tasminna yudhyata. Yuddhe tasminna yudhyata.
Vruto Rathanam Kotyacha. Yuddhe tasminna yudhyata.
Vruto Rathanam Kotyacha. Yuddhe tasminna yudhyata. Vruto Rathanam Kotyacha. Yuddhe tasminna yudhyata.
Bidalakyo yutanam cha.
Bidalakyo yutanam cha. Bidalakyo yutanam cha.
Panchashadbhiradhayudaihi.
Panchashadbhiradhayudaihi. Panchashadbhiradhayudaihi.
Bidalakyo yutanam cha. Panchashadbhiradhayudaihi.
Bidalakyo yutanam cha. Panchashadbhiradhayudaihi. Bidalakyo yutanam cha. Panchashadbhiradhayudaihi.
Vruto Rathanam Kotyacha. Yuddhe tasminna yudhyata. Bidalakyo yutanam cha. Panchashadbhiradhayudaihi.
वृतो रथानां कोट्या च युद्धे तस्मिन् न युध्यत बिडालाख्यो युतानां च पञ्चाशद्भिरथायुतैः वृतो रथानां कोट्या च युद्धे तस्मिन् न युध्यत बिडालाख्यो युतानां च पञ्चाशद्भिरथायुतैः.
Vrutha means surrounded by. So Parivaritha was surrounded by multitudes of horses as well as Gajam, elephants. Rathanam Kotyacha, 1 crore of Ratham is he's surrounded by 1 crore of Ratham. So Gajam, multitudes of Gajam and horses, and the Ratham. With this he is going into the Tasminna Yudhyata. He is going to the battle with all these things surrounded by all these things. Okay. Bidala is the next name of the general. Bidala Kyoyita Namcha Panchashit. Ayutha I told is 10,000. So again he has got 50,000 chariots surrounded him, and he is going to the war. Okay. Now these names of these generals, what do they mean? Chikshura means uncertainty. We are not sure of what to do. Uncertainty is there. That is the beginning of our problem. When there is no clarity, that is what happens. Chamara is beastly nature. Because first you want to be really aggressive. Then slowly that aggressiveness comes down. Whatever your approach, first approach is aggressive nature. And also like Chamara also means like, being idle and gossipy. Both the things it means. Being beastly, first aggressive, Chamara is being aggressive, very aggressive. And Chamara actually means very gossipy nature. You wasting your time. By idling or gossiping. That is the second one. Maha Hanu. Hanu means anger. Maha Hanu means actually mouth. Maha Hanu is large jawed one, broad jawed one. Hanu also means anger. Maha Hanu, the one who gets really angry, he's called Maha Hanu. Asiloma. Asi means we will know a lot of times this word is used again. It is sword. His hair is like sword-like hair. That is why he is Asiloma, but very ill-behaved one is called Asiloma. Ill-behaved one is called Asiloma. Bashkala. Bashkala is again aggression and animosity. Bashkala. Parivratha means very conceited, concealed. We don't know how they will attack, like very what they say here is, because this is a mental thing that is happening within us, they say depressive thoughts. So many times the negativity you get into it, all of us get into it. I too get into that. When you get into that negative thoughts, then automatically depression sets in. You feel that the whole world is against you. So that is where you are pushed into a corner. When it goes to a limit where you need help. So this is what is Parivrata. Parivrata means concealed, which actually means your mental depression that leads to a lot of problems. Mental state. Bidala is repulsive, impure. Bidala means impure, repulsive nature. Okay. Next we will start. Okay. Yude samyuge tatra.
Yuyude samyuge tatra. Yuyude samyuge रथानां परिवारितः रथानां परिवारितः
युयुधे संयुगे तत्र रथानां परिवारितः
युयुधे संयुगे तत्र रथानां परिवारितः युयुधे संयुगे तत्र रथानां परिवारितः
अन्ये च तत्रायुधशो
अन्ये च तत्रायुधशो अन्ये च तत्रायुधशो
रथनागहयैर्वृताः
रथनागहयैर्वृताः रथनागहयैर्वृताः
अन्ये च तत्रायुधशो रथनागहयैर्वृताः
अन्ये च तत्रायुधशो रथनागहयैर्वृताः अन्ये च तत्रायुधशो रथनागहयैर्वृताः
युयुधे संयुगे तत्र रथानां परिवारितः अन्ये च तत्रायुधशो रथनागहयैर्वृताः
युयुधे संयुगे तत्र रथानां परिवारितः अन्ये च तत्रायुधशो रथनागहयैर्वृताः युयुधे संयुगे तत्र रथानां परिवारितः अन्ये च तत्रायुधशो रथनागहयैर्वृताः.
So Bidala has got 50,000 rathams around this. He's surrounded by 50,000 rathams. Ayudha means million. Ayudha means Niyuta means thousands. Ayudha means millions. So he's got 50 million rathams. He's surrounded by that. And other than that, like this kind of millions of rathams and elephants and horses. Ratha Anye cha tatrayudasho Ratha Naga Hayair Vritaha. Ratham is 50 million we saw. Naga means elephant. Hayair means horse. So you know horses. Ayudha, that is also in million folds only. So he is surrounded by, Bidala has been surrounded by millions of ratham, elephants and horses. So it is a huge army that is in front of Devi. Now let us see how she does it. Okay. Yudhus samyuge devya.
Yudhus samyuge
devya. Yudhus samyuge devya.
Yudhus samyuge devya. Yudhus samyuge devya.
Saha tatra mahasuraha.
Saha tatra mahasuraha. Saha tatra mahasuraha.
Yuyudhu samyuge devya. Saha tatra mahasuraha.
Yuyudhu samyuge devya. Saha tatra mahasuraha. Yuyudhu samyuge devya. Saha tatra mahasuraha.
Koti koti sahasraistu.
Koti koti sahasraistu. Koti koti sahasraistu.
Rathanam dantinam tatha.
Rathanam dantinam tatha. Rathanam dantinam tatha.
Koti koti sahasraistu. Rathanam dantinam tatha.
Koti koti sahasraistu. Rathanam dantinam tatha. Koti koti sahasraistu. Rathanam dantinam tatha.
Yuyudhu samyuge devya. Saha tatra mahasuraha. Koti koti sahasraistu. Rathanam dantinam tatha.
युयुधुः संयुगे देव्या सह तत्र महासुराः कोटिकोटिसहस्रैस्तु रथानां दन्तिनां तथा युयुधुः संयुगे देव्या सह तत्र महासुराः कोटिकोटिसहस्रैस्तु रथानां दन्तिनां तथा.
So we saw so many horses, chariots and rathams, elephants, all these things in the battle in front of Devi. Devi is standing alone here. Okay, she sees the entire army and she enters the battlefield. Samyuge means battle. She gets into the battle to fight with this kind of asuras, mahasuras. And koti sahasraistu. Koti sahasram, we don't know the value of how many. Rathanam dantinam tatha. So all this ratham, dantinam is elephant. They are all standing in front of her and they are surrounded. Next line, actually this comes with the next line. I will explain when I will read the next line and then explain these two together. Okay. Hayanam cha vruto yuddhe.
Hayanam cha vruto yuddhe. Hayanam cha vruto yuddhe.
Tatra bhun mahishasuraha.
Tatra bhun mahishasuraha. Tatra bhun mahishasuraha.
Hayanam cha vruto yuddhe. Tatra bhun mahishasuraha.
Hayanam cha vruto yuddhe. Tatra bhun mahishasuraha. Hayanam cha vruto yuddhe. Tatra bhun mahishasuraha.
I will just read this line and then we will go to the next one because the meaning will be split actually. So like this, crores and crores of Ratham and Thamtinam and then Hayanam, horses, are all surrounded Mahishasura. Imagine every general in one layer and Mahishasura in the center. Crores and crores of Rathams and crores of elephants and horses are all surrounding him, protecting him. The generals are in the front. So Devi is entering into the conflict with them alone. Just, you cannot visualize that. So Hayanam cha vruto yuddhe, with all these things surrounded, Mahishasura enters the battle and Devi enters the battle alone. That is what they mean to say like. Kechich Tomarair bindi palaischa.
Tomarair bindi palaischa. Tomarair bindi palaischa.
Shakti bhirmusalaisthatha.
Shakti bhirmusalaisthatha. Shakti bhirmusalaisthatha.
Tomarair bindi palaischa. Shakti bhirmusalaisthatha.
Tomarair bindi palaischa. Shakti bhirmusalaisthatha. Tomarair bindi palaischa. Shakti bhirmusalaisthatha.
Yuyudhu samyuge devya.
Yuyudhu samyuge devya. Yuyudhu samyuge devya.
Khadgaif parashupatishaihi.
Khadgaif parashupatishaihi. Khadgaif parashupatishaihi.
Yuyudhu samyuge devya. Khadgaif parashupatishaihi.
Yuyudhu samyuge devya. Khadgaif parashupatishaihi. Yuyudhu samyuge devya. Khadgaif parashupatishaihi.
तोमरैर्बिन्दिपालैश्च शक्तिभिर्मुसलैस्तथा युधुः संयुगे देव्या खड्गैः परशुपट्टिशैः
तोमरैर्बिन्दिपालैश्च शक्तिभिर्मुसलैस्तथा युयुधुः संयुगे देव्या खड्गैः परशुपट्टिशैः तोमरैर्बिन्दिपालैश्च शक्तिभिर्मुसलैस्तथा युयुधुः संयुगे देव्या खड्गैः परशुपट्टिशैः.
So these are all the ayudams that she has got in her hand. First Tomara. Tomara is lance. Lance like in the what do you call it? It is more like a javelin, like the short-edged one. Bindipala. Bindipala is actually short javelin, small one that can be thrown with the hand. Okay. Bindipala is Shakti. Shakti is the spear. Shakti. Musala is the mace, club or the mace that she has. Yudhu Samyuge Devya. With this she was fighting in the battle. Khadgai Parashu Pattishahi. Khadgam is the sword. Parashu is the axe that she was holding. That we saw all the weapons that she was holding. No? Axe with this. And Pattishai is actually sharp-edged spears. The spears only, but sharp-edged ones. Even this regular spears also is sharp-edged only. This is specifically mentioned as Pattishai, as sharp-edged spears. So she was fighting, Devi was fighting the entire army with all these weapons, whatever she has in her hands. Okay. Chikke chikshubo shakti.
केचिच्च चिक्षुपुः शक्ति केचिच्च चिक्षुपुः शक्ति
केचित् पाशांस्तथा परे
केचित् पाशांस्तथा परे केचित् पाशांस्तथा परे
केचिच्च चिक्षुपुः शक्तिः केचित् पाशांस्तथा परे
केचिच्च चिक्षुपुः शक्तिः केचित् पाशांस्तथा परे केचिच्च चिक्षुपुः शक्तिः केचित् पाशांस्तथा परे
देवीं खड्गप्रहारैस्तु
देवीं खड्गप्रहारैस्तु देवीं खड्गप्रहारैस्तु
तेतां हन्तुं प्रचक्रमुः
तेतां हन्तुं प्रचक्रमुः तेतां हन्तुं प्रचक्रमुः
देवीं खड्गप्रहारैस्तु तेतां हन्तुं प्रचक्रमुः
देवीं खड्गप्रहारैस्तु तेतां हन्तुं प्रचक्रमुः देवीं खड्गप्रहारैस्तु तेतां हन्तुं प्रचक्रमुः
केचिच्च चिक्षुपुः शक्तिः केचित् पाशांस्तथा परे देवीं खड्गप्रहारैस्तु तेतां हन्तुं प्रचक्रमुः
केचिच्च चिक्षुपुः शक्तिः केचित् पाशांस्तथा परे देवीं खड्गप्रहारैस्तु तेतां हन्तुं प्रचक्रमुः केचिच्च चिक्षुपुः शक्तिः केचित् पाशांस्तथा परे देवीं खड्गप्रहारैस्तु तेतां हन्तुं प्रचक्रमुः.
So the entire army saw Devi standing alone. So they felt like, we are such a big army, we can easily kill her. So the first intent was Kechikshubu Shakti. First they hurled upon all the spheres, that veil kind of a thing that they have, no Shakti, that spheres he was there. Kechit Pasham Sadapari, the rope, to tie her down. They were somewhere throwing ropes, somewhere throwing the spheres. And the intent somewhere like, Devi Khadga Prahara. So Prahara means attacking. They attacked Devi with the sword, Khadga, with the sword. They were all running towards her to attack her, to kill her. Tam hantum prachakramu. Prachakra is chakramu, is prachakra or chakra. It is the intent to kill. Hantum prachakramu. So with the intent of killing her, they were all running with the sword towards her. Now what is Devi's reaction? Now first they have made the first move, so now she has to retaliate. Sapi Devi tatastani.
Sapi Devi tatastani. Sapi Devi tatastani.
Shastran yastrani chandika.
Shastrani yastrani chandika. Shastrani yastrani chandika.
Sapi Devi tatastani. Shastran yastrani chandika.
Sapi Devi tatastani. Shastrani yastrani chandika. Sapi Devi tatastani. Shastrani yastrani chandika.
Leelayaiva prachicheda.
Leelayaiva prachicheda. Leelayaiva prachicheda.
Nija shastrastra varshini.
Nija shastrastra varshini. Nija shastrastra varshini.
Leelayaiva prachicheda. Nija shastrastra varshini.
Leelayaiva prachicheda. Nija shastrastra varshini. Leelayaiva prachicheda. Nija shastrastra varshini.
Sapi Devi tatastani. Shastran yastrani chandika. Leelayaiva prachicheda. Nija shastrastra varshini.
Sapi Devi tatastani. Shastrani chandika. Leelayaiva prachicheda. Nija shastrastra varshini. Sapi Devi tatastani. Shastrani chandika. Leelayaiva prachicheda. Nija shastrastra varshini.
First time the word Chandika is used here. All this while we have not heard this name. Chandika is used in this text for the first time. There are so many times in following it will come. Chandika is the form of Devi which is ferocious. When she is angry, very angry, how ferocious she can be. So what is happening in front of her? Her anger is also going up. This is actually Rajasic nature. Anger is Rajasic nature. So she is exhibiting only that Rajasic aspect of hers. So her anger, Sapi Devi tatastani shastra. She Leelayaiva prachicheda. Prachicheda means all the armaments that are coming hurled upon her, she is breaking or cutting through all of them by showering Shastra Astrani. There are so much of Astram and Shastram. Like weaponries with induced mantra. So with that she is cutting through all their armor. She is showering so much of all kinds of weapons. They say Shastran Yastrani Chandika. All kinds of weapons she is showering on them. Varshini, they say, she is showering on them to cut through all their armaments. Anayasthanana Devi.
Anayasthanana Devi. Anayasthanana Devi.
Stoyamana Surash अनायस्तानना देवी स्तूयमाना सुरर्षिभिः
अनायस्तानना देवी स्तूयमाना सुरर्षिभिः अनायस्तानना देवी स्तूयमाना सुरर्षिभिः
मुमोचासुरदेहेषु
मुमोचासुरदेहेषु
शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चेश्वरी
शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चेश्वरी शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चेश्वरी
मुमोचासुरदेहेषु शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चेश्वरी
मुमोचासुरदेहेषु शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चेश्वरी मुमोचासुरदेहेषु शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चेश्वरी
अनायस्तानना देवी स्तूयमाना सुरर्षिभिः मुमोचासुरदेहेषु शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चेश्वरी
अनायस्तानना देवी स्तूयमाना सुरर्षिभिः मुमोचासुरदेहेषु शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चेश्वरी अनायस्तानना देवी स्तूयमाना सुरर्षिभिः मुमोचासुरदेहेषु शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि चेश्वरी.
Leelayaiva we saw, like a sport she was hurling the shastram and astram on them, whatever they have. She is only defending first. And the next one says, the way that at ease she was doing it, Stuyamana Surashibhi. Sura means celestials, rishis. Both celestials and sages were astonished by the way at such an ease she was, hurling upon the weapons at them. Because imagine the number of weapons that is coming from the opposite side and she is alone, and the way she is playing with them like a sport, she is demolishing their weapons. Mumochasura, not only that, now the real fight starts. Mumochasura deheshu sastrani yastrani cheshwari. She didn't stop with only defending herself. Now she is unleashing all the shastram and astram towards those Asura's body. Mumocha means unleashing. Leashing out all her, hurling upon all the weapons, shastram and astram. Deheshu, asura deheshu. Mumocha, asura deheshu. Asura, to their bodies, to hit them. Now really the killing starts from here. So she, whatever it is, Tuyamman, the biggest part of this Devi in this Rupam, Chandika is only showing the anger outside, but inside she is still serene. She is still serene. She is just playing with the world. She is keeping herself in the... See, when you are rooted to something, take a tree, huge tree, when the roots are deep, whatever the moment that you see, the tree will not shake. Tree will not move. When the leaves will be moving, tree is still rooted to the ground. In the same way, she is so calm. Her true nature is calmness and true nature is being serene. Outwardly, she is playing like a sport in this world, like how things are happening. The way she is battling in the field only shows her nature to play in this world. Play in this world. But still she keeps her calm and sereneness. That is her true nature. So that is what the celestials are wondering, like how she is The anger is only outward, in the surface. But inside she is the same. She remains the same. So Chandika is the word, such a beautiful word that they have used here. She only exhibits that anger. Chandika is not angry. She's the mother. She only exhibits. So that is the word, like, the same next line they say Ambika. So you should not mistake it. Chandika, because of her anger, she is Ambika because she's the mother of all the beings. This is two things that we have to be very clear about. Devi is just not ferocious. Two things. Another one, like she's the mother of all beings. As much as she's the mother of celestials, she is the mother of demons also. This is a very important message this Devi Mahatmyam conveys. She is the mother of demons too. They are also her children. Because so many times they become a demon. A mother when is angry is still a mother, no? We all get angry with our children. But we continue to be mother because the mother inside remains the same. The anger is outwardly and circumstances. Given circumstances, you are angry because you are a human being. But you are still a mother inside. This is exactly what is happening with her. She is Chandika because her children are doing some naughty things there. So she wants to punish them. But she is still the mother. Understand, this is a very, very sensitive aspect of Devi that this Mahatmyam denotes. Mahatmyam describes, this is the crux of this Mahatmyam. Okay, these are all the words that they are using, and beautifully they have used, like, first they say Chandika and then they say Ambika. Okay. Next one. Chachar sopi kruddho dutasatho.
Sopi kruddho dutasatho. Sopi kruddho dutasatho.
Devya vahana kesari.
Devya vahana kesari. Devya vahana kesari.
Sopi kruddho dutasatho. Devya vahana kesari.
Sopi kruddho dutasatho. Devya vahana kesari. Sopi kruddho dutasatho. Devya vahana kesari.
Chacharasura sainyeshu.
Chacharasura sainyeshu. Chacharasura sainyeshu.
Vaneshviva hutashanaha.
Vaneshviva hutashanaha. Vaneshviva hutashanaha.
Chacharasura sainyeshu. Vaneshviva hutashanaha.
Chacharasura sainyeshu. Vaneshviva hutashanaha. Chacharasura sainyeshu. Vaneshviva hutashanaha.
Sopi kruddho dutasatho. Devya vahana kesari. Chacharasura sainyeshu. Vaneshviva hutashanaha.
Sopi kruddho dutasatho. Devya vahana kesari. Chacharasura sainyeshu. Vaneshviva hutashanaha. Sopi kruddho dutasatho. Devya vahana kesari. Chacharasura sainyeshu. Vaneshviva hutashanaha.
So the lion has to do something, no? It is very angry because so many people are hurling all the weapons at her. He was very angry. Duttasato, the mane, that lion's mane, no, it is shaking vigorously. Shaking Duttasato. Duttasato means shaking the mane vigorously, like. In anger, krudho, in anger, it is shaking the manes vigorously. Devya Vahana Kesari. Kesari is lion, which is the Devi's Vahanam. It is shaking its mane vigorously. Chachara Asura Sainyeshu Vaneshviva Huta. Chachara means moving. Asura Sainyam, it is moving inside the Asura Sainyam, army, Sainyeshu. Vaneshva, how it is moving means Vaneshviva Hutasana. Hutasana, I told long back, it is Agni. Agni is Hutasana. Like forest fire, how quickly it will spread. It is like that this lion is moving with such a speed inside the army. Okay? Nishwasan mumucheyamscha
Nishwasan mumucheyamscha Nishwasan mumucheyamscha
Yudhyamana ranembika
Yudhyamana ranembika Yudhyamana ranembika
Nishwasan mumucheyanscha Yudhyamana ranembika
Nishwasan mumucheyamscha Yudhyamana ranembika Nishwasan mumucheyamscha Yudhyamana ranembika
Tayeva sadhya sambhuta
Tayeva sadhya sambhuta Tayeva sadhya sambhuta
Gana shata sahasrashah
Gana shata sahasrashah Gana shata sahasrashah
Tayeva sadhya sambhuta Gana shata sahasrashah
Tayeva sadhya sambhuta Gana shata sahasrashah Tayeva sadhya sambhuta Gana shata sahasrashah
Nishvasan yudeyamscha Yudhyamana ranembika Tayeva sadhya sambhuta Gana shata sahasrashah
Nishwasan mumucheyamscha Yudhyamana ranembika Tayeva sadhya sambhuta Gana shata sahasrashah Nishwasan mumucheyamscha Yudhyamana ranembika Tayeva sadhya sambhuta Gana shata sahasrashah
Nishvasan mumuchi. Nishvasan means the heavy breathing, no? Because she is angrily going and fighting, the sighs, the breathing, that heavy breathing, she was like fighting with that Ranembika in the battle, the way when she was fighting, because of her breath, the sighs. There are hundreds and thousands of armed men come from her breath. She is alone, no? Now she has got a huge army for herself. So every time she is breathing heavily, there are hundreds and thousands of men with arms. They are coming out of her breath. Rane Ambika. This is the third most repeated names. First Devi, then Chandika, then Ambika. Three names are repeated so much in this Devmatmyam. Ambika is repeated 25 times. The three names are repeated so much. So Ambika here, first they said Chandika, anger. Because she is like, her breath is producing, when she was exhaling, she's producing so many armed men as her battalion, army battalion. She is called Ambika here. She gives birth, her breath actually gives birth to so many people. This is very, very interesting. Like, first Chandika, and then we have to understand how the beautifully the whole thing is written. I think we will stop with this. So her breath created lot of hundreds and thousands of armed men from her breath emerged. We will stop with that. It is in between, actually, 43rd one half sentence is only there. Okay? We'll stop with that. I'll mark it and keep it because this is in between it comes. Okay? No, I will finish only the one line, so it is one complete line.
In our book, actually, it is
complete, huh? Then it is okay. Then if it is in your book, if it is complete, then you let us complete it with that. Okay? We'll recite whatever we have learnt it today and then we'll move later. Shastra, no, what is correct only, no? Shastrastrair bahuda muktairadi pitadantaram
Mahishasura
Senanichikshuragyo mahasuraha Yudaischamaraschamyaischaturangabalanvitaha Rathanamaयुतैषड्भिरुदग्राह्यो mahasuraha Ayudhyatayutanam cha sahasrena mahahanuhu Panchashadvischa niyutairasilo mahasuraha Ayudanam shataishadbhirbhashkalo yuderane Gajavaji sahasraugairanekai parivaritaha Vruto ratanam kotyacha yuddhe tasminna yudhyata Vidalakyo yudanam cha panchashadviratayudaihi Yude samyuge tatre ratanam parivaritaha Anye cha tatra yudasho ratanagahayairvrutaha Yudu samyuge devya saha tatra mahasuraha Koti koti sahasraistu ratanam dantinam tatha Hayanam cha vruto yuddhe tatra bonmahishasuraha Tomarair bindipalaischa shaktibhirmusalaistata Yudu samyuge devya khadgai parashupatishaihi Kechitcha chikshubhu shakti kechit pashamstatha pare Devim khadga praharaistu tetam hantum prachakramuhu Sapi devi tadastani shastrani chandika Leelayaiva prachicheda nija shastrastravarshini Anayastanana devi stuyamana surarshibhihi Mumochasura deheshu shastrani cheshvari Sopi gruddho dutasato devya vahana kesari Chacharasura sainyeshu vaneshviva hutashanaha Nishvasanmujeyamscha yudhyamana ranembika Tayeva sadhya sambodha ganashata sahasra